Managing SharePlay on your iPhone 16 allows you to control the ability to share synchronized content experiences with others during FaceTime calls. Here's how to enable or disable SharePlay. To get started, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Navigate to the restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. To continue, select Allowed Apps and Features. Doing so will display a list of apps and features you can enable or disable on your iPhone. Now scroll to find SharePlay from the list of options. Once found, toggle the switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When disabled, SharePlay access is restricted. This means that SharePlay won't be available in any apps. These settings affect all SharePlay compatible applications such as TikTok, Apple Music, FaceTime, and more. You can repeat the same steps to modify this setting if needed. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone videos like this one.